MES College, Marambally, e-learning.
Dear students, today we are going to discuss about the bridge rectifier circuit. This is the circuit diagram of a bridge rectifier. 4 diodes are required for constructing a bridge rectifier. We can give AC input and as well as we will get the DC output in this circuit. This is the circuit diagram and this is the conduction states of a bridge rectifier. In a positive half cycle, the D1 and D3 will conduct, and in a negative half cycle, the D2 and D4 will conduct. In effect, the output will be the full wave rectifier form. Let's see how the connections are made in the Livewire software. We have a AC source and we have a transformer, 2 CROs and the corresponding graph of that CROs. Now we are adding a bridge rectifier circuit in this window. This is the bridge rectifier. Here 4 diodes are connected. Here we can see the upper and lower pins are connected to the AC and the other 2 connections. The right hand side of this rectifier will give the positive output and the left hand side of the rectifier gives the negative output. Let's connect the circuit into the transformer. We are giving the AC input from the transformer. We are adding a load resistor. The load resistor is placed in the window and we are giving the positive output to one end of the load resistor. And we are giving the negative output to the other end of the load resistor. For a proper analysis, we required the input waveform and as well as the output waveform. For that, we are using 2 CROs, and first CRO we are using for analyzing the input waveform, and the second CRO we are using to analyze the output waveform. We connected the CRO1 into the input and the second one into the output, and we are going for the simulation. Now we can see the input is a sine wave, pure sine wave, and the output is the rectified waveform. That means the pulsating output, pulsating DC output having both half cycles. The negative half cycle and the positive half cycle is present in the output waveform. This waveform is just like how a center tapped transformer behaves.
A full wave rectifier is a circuit arrangement which makes the use of both half cycles in input alternating current and convert them into a direct current. This method we use a normal transformer with 4 diodes arrangement as a bridge, so it is called a bridge rectifier. Here I am adding a capacitor filter across the load resistor to get filtered. The full wave rectifier circuit based around the bridge of the diodes perform well and it's used in most full wave rectifier applications. It uses both halves of the waveform in the transformer winding and as a result reduces the heat losses for a given level of output current when compared to the other solutions. The bridge rectifiers are the circuit that convert alternating current into direct current using diodes arranged in the bridge circuit configuration. Bridge rectifiers typically comprise of 4 or more diodes. The output wave generated is of the same polarity irrespective of the polarity of the input signal. So let's calculate the values of ripple factor of full wave bridge rectifier with filter and without filter. From the CRO we have the values of Vm. So Vm equal to 8.50, so that we can calculate the value of Vrms, which is equal to Vrms equal to Vm divided by root 2, which is equal to 8.5 divided by 1.414, which is equal to 6.0104. Now we have to calculate the value of VDC. VDC equal to 2 Vm divided by pi, that is equal to 2 into 8.5 divided by 3.1415, which is equal to 17 divided by 3.1415, which gives the value of VDC, which is equal to 5.4114. So now we can calculate the value of ripple factor by the equation ripple factor equal to root of Vrms divided by VDC the whole square minus 1, which is equal to root of, put the values of Vrms and VDC, you will get root of 6.0104 divided by 5.4114 the whole square minus 1, which gives root of 1.11069 the whole square minus 1, which is equal to root of 0.2334, which is equal to 0.4831. Therefore the value of the ripple factor is equal to 0.4831. This is the value of ripple factor without filter.